Now the interesting thing is that everybody wants to make some sort of changes to their life, and they find it difficult to consciously do that. And the reason is that your subconscious mind or unconscious mind will do exactly what you ask of it. Now, you, like many of my clients, might go, hey, wait a minute. I've tried so many times to make those changes. Just, for example, say, lose weight, don't eat this, stop smoking, don't want to smoke. And what did I do? I just done more of what I didn't want to do. Now, the reason for that is that your subconscious mind has to understand what you want of it to not do it. And so what happens is that it has to actually partake in what you don't want it to do to know what not to do. Now that may sound a little strange, but I want to give you an example and maybe to help you understand what I'm trying to explain to you. So as you're sitting there, hopefully feeling relaxed, watching this program, I wonder how your feet feel. Do your feet feel warm? Or do they feel cool? Are your shoes feeling a little tight on your feet? If you have shoes on. And if you have no shoes on, is one foot moving a little more than the other foot? Or can you sense the floor beneath your feet? Now, as I was speaking to you, your attention was brought to your feet. Okay? That's similar to a suggestion. Acceptable suggestion. That your subconscious mind will follow the instructions I've given you and put your attention on your feet. Now, whatever you do, I do not want you to think about your hands. Do not think about how your hands feel. Do not think if they were touching together. Do not think about your hands. Whatever you do, I do not want you to think about how your hands feel. Now, you're not here with me physically. But again, for most people, the minute I say that, I see a little glimmer in their eye or smirk on their face. Because their attention has went exactly to their hands where I asked them not to place that attention on their hands. And so I wonder, did the same thing happen for you? Now this is why when you think about, say for example, if you're a smoker or were a smoker and you found it difficult to stop smoking, what you did was, I don't want to smoke. I'm not going to smoke tomorrow. So every time you thought about not doing a certain thing, your subconscious mind actually had you do it so it could understand what not to do. Just like me saying, don't put your attention on your hands. It had to put your attention on your hands to find out what not to do. And of course, you've done it then. So you go, didn't work. So it's all about the suggestions. And it's all about not resisting suggestions, accepting suggestions, saying, I like that suggestion. That suggestion will work for me. And that's all it takes. Focus your attention, accept suggestions, and benefit from the results.